I don't know if that's a problem with my Agnes or what. It's totally weird. Alright, so gotta get all the tower tops every time. there was Vader flying by. Cheeky monkey that Vades. Thanks for everyone hanging out. No music because it's late at night here in California, so I'm not trying to disturb the neighbors. Come on, Vades. He loves getting shot by. Really, I mean, he's a huge fan of it. He just eats it up. It's like cat treats. Yeah, and the controls on the main version could be better. I don't know. It's been maybe a few versions of the MAME since I played it, but I don't think there's probably been huge upgrades to it. So. Right, there's just nothing to do in this one. Yeah, and so there's also Empire Strikes Back and Return of the Jedi. All three of the arcade games were ported to Amiga and ST with mouse controls. And I don't have an accelerator. I just have the stock 68,000. But in tests with emulation, it seems like higher clock speed does improve the frame rate on these games. That'd be a fun thing to try out one day. Yeah, they give Vader some cool maneuvers, right? Like the TIE fighters are legitimately have a really simple, like dead simple pathing, and then Vader has all this like AI. It looks like I don't know. I like that they make that distinction. You know that Vader was a pilot. So he's like hard to track down. It feels more dogfighty with him for chasing after him. There he is. There he is. We're just going with this there. Yeah, download the whole trilogy. Jedi's the worst. This one's the best. Let's just clear out all of these. Let's just do it. Ah! A shield gone already? That's cool, because we'll regain a shield at the end of this. So, if anyone drops in after that, it was a clean run. There we go. Laugh out loud. Thanks. I love it when people are laughing. I'm not like Conan O'Brien-ish about it. It's so hard to get those guys inside. Oh yeah, no, I just hit that from that distance. That was fine. Right, 8 shields. All right, cool. Vader hunting. Let's do it. Right, here we go. Let's see if we can. Let's concentrate on Vader. Yep, see, just don't get distracted. Dumb old TIE fighters. Woo, Vades! A future so bright, 'cause I'm hunting down Vades. There you go. Oh, tower time, right? Yeah, alright, better shut up. I mean me. I love the sounds of all y'all voices. Whew, that was nice. Okay, 2 towers left. Okay. Finally, I'm playing this game like I've played it before. Hitting all them little tower bottoms too. Bunkers. Sorry. Yeah. That was a nice one. Thanks again to anyone hanging out. Looks like there's a little crew at this point. Thanks everyone. Ooh, God. Alright, no, we'll get it back. We'll get it back. OCD will be restored. Ugh, what this nonsense. Okay. Great line. I love that line because it's about going home. Like, you're like, alright, cool. All that evil we were here to destroy is right here. So let's get rid of it and go home and sleep. Like everybody's working for the weekend kind of premise, right? You just yeah. We're saving the universe, but let's get some R&R immediately after this. Fades. There we go. Come on. Oh. So close. Find that Vader. Gotta find that Vader. Ooh, look at all that goofiness with the flight path of Vader there. That's funny. 030 runs it too fast. Interesting. Yeah. 030 runs it fast. Bill had that problem. Amiga Bill was playing it on a 1200, and it played completely incorrectly. Played a bit fast, even though he's playing in PAL. So you'd expect this is an NTSC machine, of course. So, like right away, I was like, "What? This is PAL, and it's running this fast." So, yeah, this might be one of those things for stock. It's the way to go. I also know that of Crystal Hammer, infamously my mother's favorite game. Where's the other tower top? Come on. Oh, come on. Where running it any faster than the stock CPU it doesn't work correctly. See, this Amiga kit mouse is actually really great for these ridiculous jumps because it's an optical mouse with a really high DPI. I don't know what it is, but compared to using a DB9 PS2 adapter or like the tank mouse or something like that, you get around town fast. See, I was never able to get through these parts as a kid actually. Oh, tank mouse. Sorry, tank mouse. Didn't mean to say something bad about the tank mouse. It shields great. All right. Let's go hit Vader 300 times. I'm gonna go punch Vader 300 times. Where is he? This is really ruining this. Dude, he got scared of me. There he is. Hey, that's nice. We're about halfway there. On wave 5. But yeah, wave 5's not even over yet. We're gonna get, if we get all the tower tops and everything, we're probably close to 700K. Is that it? Was that it? No? One more? There we go. Get the bunkers on the way out. Had to go for the fireball there instead. Alright, yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're almost at 7K. 700K. Gonna get about 58K. Oops, that's terrible. Stop talking. Oh my god. Yeah. That sounds with a knife. I can hear the DF1 just clicking. There we go. Ooh. So we'll get back up to 7 shields. Okay. And then, yeah, so we'll have 746 now. Way too fast. Not even close to playable. Bill was playing it. I'd love to play this sped up. That would be my jam. I need to get an ACA or something. Play around with it. Wait, Hitch, did you get a real Amiga? What are you talking? What's this 030? Ah, hitting some good Vaders. Gate skis. Data arenas. Ah. Oh, this is really nice. Yeah, I'm pretty much on track here. If I can stay alive. Oh, so cool news. I finished up my first Second City class over in Hollywood, and for the last, I'd never improvised scenes before. I was just taking this class to learn how to improvise songs with an accompanist, basically. And then on the very last day, they threw me into scene work. So I'm like, yes anding. Literally that being the only thing I know about improv. And we're doing this game where it's called That Sounds Like a Song, where you improvise a scene, and then when you hear something that sounds like a song, you say, that sounds like a song. And then the accompanist will start playing some music, and then you make up a song based on that title. And that was like intense. And then I'm like, oh man, last day's intense. Then the break ends, and then they're like, and then the instructor's like, okay, we're gonna chain that all together and improvise a musical. And so it was this crazy musical we did about the Tour de France. And I played a BuzzFeed reporter named Brian, who reports this Deus Ex Machina magic bike that comes in and wins the race. And there's a B story, and the characters pivoted and grew. And then the class was over. But that was really intense, and all the other cats there are like really talented improvisers, actually, and so they very much carried me. It was like playing a game of Halo. My knee keeps hitting me. Sorry if anyone's hearing any rumbling. Alright. What do we got? Close to 1 million? Yeah. Let's do this. I'm in now. Yeah, I wonder what he's just doing with an 030. What's the score there? Hunting that Vader. Hey, thanks, Mr. Obvious. The size of that thing. Like, it's space. Have you ever seen, like, a friggin' star? Dude, seriously? Look at the size of that thing. You ever seen Jupiter? Well, maybe not. Galaxy far, far away. Gas giant, you know? It's space. Shit's big. Dude. What are you gonna do about it? It's like that. It's like that. Lion and Hitchhiker. Space is really big. I mean, really, really big. Not just like, you think it's a long jot down to your chemist. I'm talking about crazy big. One more tower left. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Oh. Feels nice. Oh, these catwalks are going to be a catastrophe. Rim shot. These are fun, actually. I can get behind these. These have a 10 grams type quality to them that amuses me. We're at fully 8 shields, 1.05 million. That's pretty dope. Mostly because I grew up in the 90s. Right, here we go. Let's get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. There we go. 50,000, and then we get 8,000. It's darn close. To have 8 shields fully up. Way too fast. 1030 is a cool thing to have around, nonetheless. It's sort of why I have this weird fear of like doing any internal mods to the 500, and just like doing sidecar expansions or something like that, like the ACA, just so I can always go back. So what, like I know runs all my childhood games correctly, which is weirdly a 1.2 NTSC Amiga. I think we're there. $1.255. 70K. Done. Right. Arrogance, and then like more sprites show up. Slows things down. Like, yeah, I do not have the 50 towers down to a precise science, because yeah, there's a bit of a frame rate issue, so trying to get on top of the tower top right during a frame and not between frames. Oh, come on. Oh, 6 shields. Oh, only 50K away. This is it. This is it. Oh, no. I missed it. Idiot. Oh, no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Arrogance. Total arrogance. That was funny. Let's get some points. Yeah, even with the Amiga kit mouse, those really tall catwalks are right, because ooh, okay, there we go. 255321. Oof, just a few more points. There we go. Five shields feels a little safer, just because it's green, so psychologically. All right, let's just get Vader a bit. There we go. Oh, Vader's getting cheeky in these waves. So that's the cool thing. I think wave 10 is the one that just cycles. So if you can manage to learn that wave really well without difficulty. Yeah, This is really fun. See, and now I'm going to come back and try to beat this again, because I didn't get all the towers that time. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, there we go. So this is 1.4 million, so but this is still 50,000 less than I know I can do. This is going to be ridiculous now. Yeah, no, it's going to be nonsense. It's going to be the devil. It's literally going to be Satan. That's what's happening now. Fuck these catwalks. This is awful. What are they doing? No, they're just eventually they're gonna throw something at me I can't do. Watch. Or that I should be able to do, basically. Yeah. Oh great. Oh. That wasn't that bad. All this talk of pure Satan. Hey, thanks, Harry. Using the Force to control the game. Yes. Oh, that'd be a good ad for the Amiga Kit Mouse. Amiga Kit Mouse, better than the Force. Just killing that Vader. You really got to spam this mouse button at this point. This wave. Yeah, but I think this is the looping wave, so it's like just learning how to get through this over and over again. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Okay. Can we do another 50 tower tops? Then we can get 1.57 at least. Oh no, oh no. Not good. 3 towers left. And there they are. There we go. Get some bunkers on the way out. 1.6. Nice, alright. And then it's just going to be death, probably. Oh, this is fun for death. Oh, I think this is already the looping one. Oh my gosh. Dude, guys, wouldn't that be intense? If I, like, didn't mess this up, because this is... Stop talking. Oh yeah, this is awful. Oh no. Shield gone. All right, so yeah, you just get 50,000 for that. One shield. Okay. Finding that Vader. Just killing that Vader. Shooting those lasers. Not settling for tasers. Come on, no, the fireballs are blocking my 2,000 points. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, just come at me. Right? Okay. See, but that, yeah, I know exactly where I might lose a shield. Oh, these towers of mine. Come on. Oh, thank God. Nice. 1.8. Oh, nice. All right. Now, yeah, can I do this cleanly? Well, at least I'm getting to... Oh. Immediate biff. Immediate biff. Oh, all right. That was fun. And that's, yeah, that's, submit that to highscore.com because that's like 600K beyond what I'd ever done in my life before. So, fun stuff. Thanks so much, guys. Let's try to raid someone. Any raid ideas? I'll take. Great game, right? Oh, yeah. Let's do the initials here. Right, get that. That's the first time in my life I've ever gotten the #1 spot, too. So that feels really cool in 30 years. Let's get that music going. Nobody's on. That sounds like nobody. Nobody's always on. Ion Fury.